Hey guys, we're going to sharpen the blade on this lawnmower. So I'm going to show you how to take it off, which is useful if you're replacing the blade, which honestly, if you have the 20 or 30 bucks to replace the blade or $10 on Amazon, whatever it is, I recommend measuring your blade and replacing it. It's a lot easier, but here's how you take it off and how you sharpen it. So when we flip this mower up, you always want it to be either carburetor up or spark plug up. And so we're going to do carburetor up on this side. And speaking of the carburetor, or speaking of the spark plug, we're going to disconnect it, just in case while we're rotating, nothing weird happens. But now you can see the blade right there. Not in horrible shape. You know, definitely has some potential to sharpen it up and you know, get it working optimally again. So you just need a wooden block and a wrench. And so the wooden block is going to go right here. Well, actually right here, because when we put a wrench on there and rotate it, we need something to stop the blade from hitting. Also, gloves are a good idea as well. So let's get some gloves. All right, and then we're going to just grab our wrench. I think this is the same wrench we used for the spark plug. Yep, it's like the same one, same size. So we're gonna throw some gloves on because gloves are a good idea. And this block though, that's the thing, because without that block, you know, all you're gonna do is rotate the blade. And so you set your foot on the block, carefully, foot on the block, and lefty loosey. All right. And just gonna... There we go. Came off pretty nice. Some blades have two bolts. Other ones just have more complicated. But I'm gonna take this guy off. What I like to do too is while I work on it, while I sharpen it, I just set it on the block here and spray some WD-40 on it. Because everybody knows WD-40 is just the way to go with just about anything. Except you don't want to drink it, but throw a little bit in there. Fun and games. There we go. All right. So here's our blade. Let's go ahead and sharpen it. Here's the blade side. Okay, so if you are buying a new blade, all you got to do is measure this, and or look at your on the deck there will tell you how big is it, 21 inches, 22 inches, 20 inches, and then just get a new blade. And when you put the blade on, you always have the blade part. So the you can see where the edge is. So you put the edge up. Edge goes up. So it goes that way, not this way. Always edge up towards the engine. All right, let's sharpen this. All right, so to sharpen it, you just want to get away from any kind of flammable stuff. And you want to have some eyeglasses. And then all you're going to do, so you just want some protective glasses. You don't want anything flammable. Remember, once again, speaking of flammable, I think I have WD-40 on that, which is probably somewhat flammable. So we'll just go ahead and wipe that off. Yeah, so you could do this with like a bench grinder. You can get one of these angle grinders and a sharpening stone from Harbor Freight. This is going to cost more than a new blade, but I do a lot of these, so hey. All right, we're going to rub it on this side. We're going to kind of get some of this pitting out and then just kind of hit it a little bit on that side. So here we go. If we can turn this thing on. All right, so I didn't make you watch all that, but basically we're just trying to put an edge on it, and not like not like a machete, but just nice smooth edge. Get all the burrs off. Smooth edge on both sides. Not on this side. I just did that side just to get some of the burrs, but yeah, there's that edge, and that's the edge that's going to go up towards the engine when we reinstall it. So let's do that. All right. Let's see, we're gonna put it right there. All right, so once again, I'm gonna put the edge up, fit it right on over there, put the bracket in place, put the bolt in, hand tighten it, and then let's see. See how it wants to go that way. So we're going to put our block right there. And we're going to make this pretty tight. Not, not trying to put all my body weight on it, but I want it nice and tight. And that's how you sharpen a blade and take a blade off, put a new blade on. Once again, I recommend just buying a new blade. Just easier than sharpening, but that is how you do it. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope it helps, and if it does, click like, click subscribe, and I sure do appreciate it.